What is the difference in a potential client's mind between a 3-star attorney with 4 reviews and a 5-star attorney with 53 reviews? You better believe it's a huge difference, and it's one that you should be fighting for. Hi, I'm Charley Mann with Great Legal Marketing, and in this video, this quick but informative and important video, what I want to share with you is the importance of getting reviews in your law firm, specifically online reviews, and how those can translate into offline success. So if you've done any research on your competitors in your community, which I highly recommend doing, it's always worth knowing what your competitors are up to, because when people go online, they are going to stack you up against your competition. Now, there are ways to circumvent this problem. It's actually a big part of great legal marketing, is how you make sure that you are basically in a competition-free zone when you operate. And no, it's not about going and bludgeoning your competition or anything insane like that. It's actually about how to get yourself to stand apart from all the other attorneys. But one of the quickest, fastest ways to do that is by being the best reviewed attorney in your community. And this can actually be really, really simple. So there are 2 main places that you should be looking to be a 5-star attorney. And those 2 places are really simple. Number 1, Google. Google is huge. If someone were to get recommended your law firm by someone at work, say, at workers' compensation, and they say, oh man, you should use the attorney that I used. He really, really helped me out, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead and check him out. When they search your name online, they will see your law firm's reviews, and they will make judgments based on those reviews. Now, if they see that there's only a couple of reviews and it's 5 stars, they're going to say, okay, well, yeah, all right, I'll give them a call. But what if they see 46 reviews, 4.8 stars? They are going to fly to the phone and give you a call as soon as possible. But what if, and this is our worst case scenario, what if they see you have 3 reviews and it's a 3.5 star rating? Don't even know if 3.5 stars can be done mathematically with only 3 reviews. I don't think it's possible. However, what if they see that as your overall rating? That's obviously going to cause some problems, and you may not end up getting the referral. See, that's the problem. The old school ways of just someone saying, you've got to call Ben Glass Law, and then picking up the phone, looking you up in the yellow pages, picking up the phone and actually calling you, those days are increasingly behind us. It's not impossible. A lot of people still very much trust in-person recommendations above all other sources. However, when they do what we could call a reputation check of you online, you need to know what they're going to find and start managing that reputation. Now, the trick is, of course, to generate more reviews for your Google and the other source, your AVO, A-V-V-O, your Google and AVO profiles. So how do you do that? Well, it's really about opening up the funnel from what you think you can get of reviews and what you can actually get of reviews. Have you look carefully at who is allowed to give you reviews on Google, because it's actually more people than you would imagine. It's not just people who have finished their cases with you. The group is actually much, much bigger. You have to look at Google's actual regulations on it, and it basically says, as long as they are accurately reviewing your services, they can leave a review for you. Now, in something like AVO, you have 2 types of reviews. You have client reviews and you have peer endorsements, which come from other attorneys, and there are 2 different rating systems over there, and well, it's already quite a bit, isn't it? That's why one of the things that we've done is we've made it really easy for members to get a 5-star reputation with 50+ reviews on any platform that they want by just following a very simple set of review email guidelines. Basically, we have a way where if you are just good enough to send out a few emails on a regular basis to people who have worked with you, you can rapidly increase the number of reviews that you get, increase your AVO score, increase your star rating on AVO and Google. And it can all be done very, very easily. So this is one of the reasons that Great Legal Marketing has helped so many solo and small law firms lead such successful practices, is because we help you take care of that whole reputation deal. Because here's our belief. You're probably a really good attorney. Most of the attorneys who find Great Legal Marketing are, and frankly, if you're not a good attorney, you're probably not the right fit for us, because we are an organization that talks about the importance of being an ethical educator in your marketing, and you need to have your services in place first and foremost. But if you have that, we are fantastic at helping transform that into a visual presence that attracts in more clients. Now, you might be curious how we actually get that done. You might be curious about what else we can provide for you. And that's great. I'd love to answer those questions for you. There's information that's probably floating around the screen right now nearby. Go ahead and go to that URL to discover more about becoming a member of Great Legal Marketing and how you can access these templates to get more reviews for your law firm.